fam. So here we are introducing our easy panel and our easy starter. They come in a bundle of 12. So it's 11 easy panels and 1 easy starter per bundle. And they come in lengths of 12 feet. Okay, so right now we have the 2 options in the market, which is the Arctic White and the Natural Bronze. Boggy Gray is coming very, very soon, so stay tuned. Hey, so for this particular project, the client decided to retain the existing wooden posts. The fence was in terrible condition. It was deteriorated. As you can imagine, South Florida weather, wood does not mesh well. So we just wanted to go ahead and show you how easy it is to install our system here on existing wooden posts. All right, so we're ready to start the install. First, we're going to show you how to install the Easy Starter.
So like Heidi mentioned before, each bundle comes already pre-packaged with your Easy Starter.
All right, so step 1, we're gonna attach the Easy Starter to the starting post.
Okay, so once your Easy Starter is leveled, you're gonna go ahead and fasten the opposite side.
Now we show you the easy part. First section done. Now let's move on. Now for the second section, it's not a full length section, so we actually do have to adjust the panels. So we're gonna measure, cut, and then start. All right, fam. Now that we got the panels cut up, we're gonna install the starter of the second section. Let's go. ecFence. So easy, a man can do it.
Fence Glow Up explained. At the end of this install day, we were able to determine the exact angle of the ground level, which was leaving an uneven gap at the bottom of the fence. To solve it, we cut 2 extra panels with a metal cutting circular saw, matching the angle of the gap at the bottom of the fence. Installing them at the bottom gave the fence a seamless, clean finish. Tip: using a metal cutting circular saw, you can cut panels diagonally into any angle needed to ensure full coverage, even on uneven ground. Result: professional, polished, and built to last.